Hello, I am Coach Prinsloo. I'm a qualified MLNP coach and trauma counselor, and I want to talk today about setting boundaries. It's very close to my heart, this whole topic, because a lot of my clients find it very difficult to set boundaries for themselves. Boundaries are just those invisible lines that we draw around ourselves to protect ourselves emotionally, physically, financially, and spiritually. It is a lot of times a matter of saying no to requests and demands that's being placed upon you. It is not being selfish to set boundaries for yourself. Neither are you trying to isolate yourself or build walls around yourself by setting boundaries. It is merely there to protect yourself so that you can focus on your own personal needs and your own self-development and the priorities that you have set for yourself. It is not being selfish, it's not being rejecting other people. It is just about protecting yourself. If you do not do that, there are times when you will feel manipulated by other people because you don't set boundaries. And that's why it's so important that people learn to set boundaries for themselves. If you find it difficult to set boundaries for yourself, you are welcome to contact me or to go and see another counselor or another person who can help you to set healthy boundaries for yourself so that you can live a healthier and a happier life. Thank you.